In the previous videos, I showed you how to install OpenClaw with Element Studio on your Windows using Docker, which by the way helps us run OpenClaw isolated from our system. But some people run into some issues because of the new version of OpenClaw. In this video, I'm gonna solve these problems, and I'm also gonna share some commands that might help you solve other problems you may face in the future. But I expect you to follow the Docker installation in the first video before following along in this one. If so, let's get started. First, I'm gonna pull the new version of OpenClaw from GitHub. Copy this URL here and open the command line. Then write git clone, paste the URL, and hit enter. While it's running, make sure that Docker is open and running, because if it's not, then you are gonna face an error like this. After it finishes, cd into the OpenClaw folder and write this command to run the Docker setup script. This script does the following: build the gateway image, run the onboarder wizard, print optional provider setup hints, start the gateway via Docker Compose, generate a gateway token and writes it to the .env file. So, after it finishes building the Docker image, it's gonna run the onboarder wizard and answer some simple questions. We've run through this installation before in the previous video, so it's basically gonna be the same. But I wanted to do everything from scratch with you guys to make sure that you don't face any errors. Here we choose yes, then quick start, then I'm gonna choose Google. You can choose whatever AI provider you prefer. Here I'm entering my Google API key, and here is important. If you chose Google as well, make sure to select this version, because if you leave it on the Pro version, it will not work. For the channel, we skip for now, and for the hooks, we skip for now as well. As you can see, I have the URL with the token over there, but it's kinda stuck and didn't finish the installation yet. If I try to copy the URL and open it up, it will not work. So in this case, I'm gonna press Ctrl C, and then I'm gonna run this command to create and run the OpenClaw gateway service. Here, as you can see, it got created. But if we go to the browser and check, it's not working yet. In this case, go to Docker, then Containers, and make sure that you have the OpenClaw container running over there. If it's over there and running, wait for a couple of minutes, then try to refresh the browser again. It should take like 2 or 3 minutes, and it's gonna work just fine. Don't worry about it. Now to permanently solve this issue, go to C drive, then Users, then your username, then .openclaw folder, and edit the pending.json file with your favorite text editor. Change silent to true, save the file, and check the browser again. It should work. Let's test it out by saying just hello or something. As you can see, it's working just fine. Now there are some commands that you can use to fix various issues. For example, if you see unauthorized on the dashboard page, you can use this command to get a URL with a token again. If you want to run the onboarding wizard again for some reason, you can use this command. And as I mentioned before, to manually create and run the OpenClaw gateway, we use this command. And always make sure before using any command that Docker is actually running. And that's it. I hope this video fixed your issues, and see you in the next one.